What's smashing, yeah? Today I'm gonna talk to you about Linktree. It's a URL hosting site. It basically just gives you one URL that will generate traffic to almost any site that you're on. So let's talk about it. Just to start off, I'm gonna show you my Linktree. I've been using Linktree for about a year and a half. I used the free version for a long time, and then I got a promotion being a Facebook gaming partner that let me upgrade. And once I upgraded, I was stuck. Once I upgraded, it was game over because I love all the features that it comes with. And just a heads up, this video is not sponsored. If you have a website that you use to host your URLs, write it down below. I know there's one called Beacon, and there's a few others that I wouldn't mind checking out. But I've been with Linktree for so long now that I don't see myself leaving it, and I love the way it looks. And the easiest way to show you is by showing you my Linktree. So I have a personal brand that I have is Smashin Productions, which you're watching this web show on, right? And I also have a gaming account. I'm a Facebook gaming partner, a Twitch affiliate, and this gives me a place for all my links for everything I have to be in one location. One location, and I love it. So the URL is linktr.ee/smashing links. So it's Linktree, right? But with a period in between the R and the E, and then to slash smashing links. So if you go to smashing links, it'll take you here. It says Smashing Productions on top. It is mine and my Smashing community. I can upload a little thumbnail, which I didn't. Or most of the time, look, it finds them automatically. Like this one has the Amazon one. I didn't put it there. This one has my logos from my Twitch and my Facebook gaming. I didn't put it there. So it's just a URL hosting site, and since I have the upgraded version, I'm allowed to use the moving background where you see my pictures popping up of my emotes, which are the emotes I use on Twitch and Facebook. And my dear friend Ruben NYC did this for me, so it's something I wanted to use. I feel like having an animated background is fantastic, so I paid for the upgraded price. But this is just a whole bunch of links. It's basically all my links. If I bump into you and I give you a business card, I legit could put linktr.ee/smashing links, and that's it with my logo. And you would come to this website if you were actually wanting to do business with me. And I have my Smashing community. I know Discord is a big popular thing out there. I use Gilded, so if you click on this, it'll take you automatically to my Gilded, which is dope. The next one, I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase things on Amazon and you think about me right before you purchase, like, oh, doesn't Smash have this affiliate thing with Amazon? You come here, you click that. Whatever you purchase within 24 hours, after clicking that, I get credit for the traffic generated to the site, and it represents income for me. So that's dope. It's as simple as you want it. I do have a podcast, All Smashed Together podcast. I've been doing it for about 3 years. You just click on this. It takes you straight to my podcast, All Smashed Together by Smash. Like it says, a journal type of podcast where I talk about my life all smashed together. And, it talks about gaming, talks about personal life, it talks about everything. And then it lets me separate it. So here's my header. And then here is like just the category names. So I'll put social media for Smashing Productions. So Smashing Productions is Twitter, Smashing Productions Instagram, and Smashing Productions. I only have one Twitter. Which is Smashing Tweets. So if you're not following me, follow. And as easy as it seems, takes you directly to the site, directly where I need you to be. Hey, if you need to stream on Kick, drop me a follow. It takes you straight to my tweets. Smashing Productions Instagram. It works perfectly fine. Look, it takes you straight to my reels, takes you to all my posts that I've been posting. And then the YouTube, which you're watching on right now. Hi. It'll take you straight to my YouTube. And I have no flaws in it. And when you do upload it, you do get options. I'm gonna show you the options now. But at first, I just wanted you to see this. I wanted you to see what it looked like before I got into the good stuff. Okay, so then here's my Smash OTG Facebook, and everything works flawlessly. This is my stream from yesterday, I believe. Everything works flawlessly. Smash OTG on YouTube. This is all my gaming stuff, and it lets me separate it. Lets me separate it by how I want it. So right here it says gaming. The background kind of blends it in. But my Twitch, even shows video. Smash OTG is offline. I can visit my page. Look how dope that is. I believe that is a paid feature, but since I'm upgraded, it's part of something that I have. But it takes me directly to my Twitch. It takes me directly to where I want to be. And then close that out. And then, of course, my OTG family, on top gaming. That's what the OTG stands for in Smash OTG. We have our own Discord. It's our thing. It's a clan, brand, community, family that I have the pleasure of being a part of. It takes you to my Discord. I mean, I'm not logged into the browser. I'm not put my information in, but this is how it is. This is what it looks like, and I love it. So to start off, right, you just go to linktree.com. As easy as it is, right? Then I'm already logged in, so it says admin. I can log out. So I'm just gonna go to my admin. It asks you to sign in by using the URL. See, it says right down here, it's free. You can claim the URL for free. So it's link.tree/ whatever your name is, right? So we're gonna hit admin for mine. And this is what it looks like in the back of it. It's simple. Look, I have a header where it says Smashin links. And then it lets me put in all my information for all my links here. Puts everything I have that I need. I could add a thumbnail or it could find one on its own. So that's why you see the logos for some. Like I added my All Smash Together podcast one. That's right there above my head right now. I added some of them, but I didn't add all of them. I do have to work on it. I haven't worked on it, but I mean, it did add the Facebook gaming one and the Twitch one by itself. So that was kind of dope. And then in the bottom it has all the social media icons right here underneath me. So, and it lets you change it. So I could change the gaming. I could add whatever header that I want. I could come to appearance. I could add certain things, go to appearance. You can change everything you want. So right now I have the Smashin Productions logo. I'm going to keep it there for now. But then I just it says use the links to find me on all your favorite sites. So imagine this. Imagine you go on Instagram, you log in, and I send you like, hey guys, please stop on my YouTube. My link's in my bio. So you're in my bio, you click on it, and then you finally have a page that's nothing but my links. Nothing but my links. So even though you went there for the YouTube, what if you don't mind following me on Instagram? What if you don't mind following me somewhere else? What if you don't mind giving me that love? And everything's here in one little area for you. You know how easy it is to just come here, click that, hit follow, and go back. How easy it is, and I can pick and choose. I don't have to subscribe to everything. I don't have to follow you on everything. I can choose what I want, but at least I know that every option is there, which is dope if you ask me. You create your own custom. It gives you predetermined themes. Some of them you do have to pay for. Some of them are free. So when you look at it, it has different ones. You have custom backgrounds, appearances. I'm using video. So that's why you see that floating background back there. I'm using video. Once again, thank you, Ruben. I appreciate you. I love your face, my brother. And you can pick the way your buttons look. You can custom make them however you want them. And it'll change. See, look, that transparent one is so dope, even though I like this one better. You can change your button color, you can change the font, you can change the shadow, you can change the font writing, you can change the font color, and then you can hide the Linktree logo. And there's an option that they give you to hide it from the get-go. So you can go through all this and pick whatever you like, and with the upgraded features, you can upload your own moving video background or your own image background, and it just gives you so much customization. And I believe after my promo, I paid like $9 a month. I mean, to some people that may be a lot, but for me, it gives my analytics. 230 people have actually came to here. 97 people have actually clicked the links. Average time to click 13 seconds. 2 people are subscribed to it, so whenever I post something or add something new to that link tree, they'll get a notification that I add something new, so they can just come and follow. Do you not understand how dope that is to have that all in one place? And then you go through your settings, which I'm not sure. Yeah, actually, what you want to do, your support banner, your mailing list integrations, your conference integration, sensitive material, SEO, conversation tracking, analytic integrations, subscribe, and affiliate programs. So when you go through this and you're looking through it and you're seeing all the value that can give you, like, look, mine is, look, smash the links. That's simple. That's all someone has to type to find me anywhere on the internet. Not just me, but my Amazon affiliate link, my Gilded community, my podcast, my Smashing Productions, all my gaming stuff is all here. OTG is in here. You know, anything that you need to contact me and find me is here in one location, one URL. And once again, this video isn't sponsored. So if you use anything else that's like this and you like it better, please write down in the comments. I'm down. I want to listen. I want to learn. I want to understand. I just want to get better at my craft and help others while I'm getting better. So if you use anything else like Beacon or any other site, write down in the comments. Let me know so I can check it out. Let me know if you use Linktree. Matter of fact, drop your Linktree down in the comments. I'm down. I'm down to show some love, you know? Let's go to the chat. So I just wanted to go through Linktree real quick in a quick fashion because I did a video on it. It's one of the things I use on a daily basis, and it is because when I used to make business cards, I would have to write everything down on it, and then I would have to write follow me on social media at da 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 da. You know, I had to write all that down, and now all I'm gonna do is put my logo on here, and on the opposite side, put Linktree/Smashin links. Boom. If you want to do business, if you want to talk to me, I could even add an email up here if I want to. I can do all this stuff. Now with just one URL, and now you can find me and contact me however you like. It's smart. And yeah, at first, you know, I've been using the free service for months before I got a promotion from Facebook for it as being a Facebook gaming partner. And then after having that promotion, you know, I just stuck with it. I like how it looks. I like what it does. I like how it appeals, you know. Maybe I have to touch it up a little bit more, but it's awesome. And yeah, that's it. That's all I want to show you. Um, as always, guys, I hope you have a smashing day. This is the What's Smashing web show. Comes out every Friday, 9 o'clock Eastern. I appreciate you. I love your faces. And if you learned anything, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Give it a like. I appreciate you. I'm out.